So yes guys, so one of the students, she got placed from QSpiders. So let us know her experiences. What's your name?
My name is Guru Keerthika. I came from Andhra Pradesh. I have recently completed my graduation in 2025 in Jain Institute of Engineering. I joined QSpiders in the December, and yeah, recently I got placed also. And the training, if I come and talk about training, the training is very good, and the experience with the staff and the teaching style of each and every staff is seriously very good. And my manual testing was taken by Gautam sir and Pradeep sir. They have made it so well and clear and realistic also at the same time. They have given practical examples and real-time hands-on experience and all. And boot camp and all really which make my communication, boost my communication, and at the same time I boost my confidence at the same time. Yeah, and we had mocks in like pre-mock, first mock and second mock, which made how the interviewer look towards us and the questions that they are asking. These people are going to ask us and they are going to give us the experience.